Hey folks, Glissamall Designs here, and I am back from my vacation and resupply trip, and three little F-16s followed me home. I love the 1/32nd scale Tamiya F-16 so much I couldn't resist picking up these guys. And you know what? I opened the boxes and I think they're going to be just as pretty as the 1/32nd scale. So you will be seeing builds of the 1/4/8 scale F-16s on my channel very soon. I do plan to put these on display stand, which I will show you in just a minute. I don't think I'll be doing an inbox review on these models. I mean, in the comments, if you want to see an inbox review on these, let me know soon, because I want to start building these. But as I said, these are just as beautiful as the large scale 1/32nd F-16. I do plan to pick up another Tamiya 1/32nd scale F-16 and build it a different way. I'm in love with these F-16 models. So just to show these briefly, the reason why I got three of them is because of the different blocks that you can build, and that's exactly what I plan to do. And with the that one there, the F-16C/N, that one there allows you to build many different versions, as where these ones here pretty much just you stay within your block 50 or your block 2532, that kind of thing. With slight variations thereof. But that one there allows you to do pretty much any block you want within reason. However, that one there doesn't give you much armament, as where these ones do. But again, because I live so far away from my hobby store, I live about 9 hours away from my local hobby store, I have to resupply pretty much, when I'm there. And with the paints that I use, to ship paints for me, it costs me an arm and a leg. So I wasn't too successful in getting all the paints I want. They were out of stock, so I'm going to have to use them, quite sparingly, but that's a story for another day. But again, I couldn't resist when I seen these. I thought, I'm buying them. So that's just a quick look at what you're going to see coming. If you want, an inbox review of these kits, again, leave a comment and we'll go from there. But this is a display stand, that I plan on using. It's not put together yet, but I think that'll look pretty. And then maybe a little placard right there or something. But yeah, with this one here, you even change the whole intake, to backdate it or whichever. We'll get into that as I build them, and then changing the decals and such. But there's another kit out there for the Thunderbirds. I might just get that one as well and complete the whole set. But anyway, that's just a quick view of my purchases. This is the only models that I bought while I was at the hobby store, are the three F-16s. The rest is, just paints and brushes and, the usual stuff to replenish my supplies. So, but I'm back. The vacation went well, and, videos are going to start coming on the builds that we've seen in the past. So just be patient, and we're going to get to it, guys. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all the support, and let's continue on. Thanks so much. Bye.